Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and e-commerce tips to make your online life easier. Today, we're diving into how to use more than one card on Amazon in 2025. With Amazon constantly updating its features, this is a handy trick for splitting payments, managing budgets, or just keeping things flexible. Whether you're buying big-ticket items or stocking up on essentials, using multiple cards can help you maximize rewards and avoid hitting credit limits. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account on a desktop or the mobile app. It's easier on a bigger screen. Head over to Account and Lists in the top right corner, then click on Your Account. Look for the Payment Options or Payment Methods section. Here, you can add as many cards as you want. Simply click Add a payment method, enter your card details, and save it. Amazon allows you to store multiple cards securely, so go ahead and add that debit card, credit card, or even a gift card. Now, when you're ready to check out, that's where the magic happens. Select your items as usual, then proceed to the payment page. You'll see a drop-down or list of your saved payment methods. For using more than one card, Amazon's 2025 update makes it straightforward. Look for the Split Payment option, which might be under Other Payment Options. You can allocate amounts to different cards, like putting $50 on one and the rest on another. If it's not showing up, double-check your account settings or update your app, as this feature has been enhanced for better user experience. One quick tip: always review the total before confirming to avoid any surprises. If you run into issues, like a card not being accepted, try verifying it in your account settings first. By 2025, Amazon has made this process smoother with better error messages and faster processing. Wrapping this up, using multiple cards on Amazon is a game changer for savvy shoppers. It helps with budgeting, earning more rewards, and even sharing costs. Give it a try on your next purchase and let us know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.